Okay, let's discuss question number 11. So in this it is given that three persons A, B and C working together can finish the work in 32 by 3 days. Then when A and C are working together, they are able to finish the work in 16 days. And when A is working alone, he is able to finish the work in 24 days. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate what will be the time taken by A and B when they are working together. So for that what we need? We need the time taken by B to complete the work. So let's assume, let time taken by B equal to B days and C equal to C days. Okay. Then one day, same steps we will use. Work of A is 1 upon A days. One day work of B is 1 upon B days. And one day work of C will be 1 upon C days. Now 1 upon 24. Now we will use this condition first, time taken by A, B, C. So we will calculate one day work of A plus B plus C, that is 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C will be equal to 32 upon, will be equal to 3 upon 32. Okay. Then so what is 1 upon B plus 1 upon C will be? So 1 upon B plus 1 upon C will be 3 upon 32 minus 1 upon 24. Okay. So let's take the LCM. LCM will be 96. It is 9 minus 4, that is 5 upon 96. Okay. Then what else is also given? One day work of A and C. So we will calculate one day work of A plus C. It will be how much? 1 upon 24 plus 1 upon C will be equal to 1 upon 16. So one upon 24 plus 1 upon C is 1 upon 16. So what is 1 upon C? Then we will take the LCM. So 1 upon 48. This is the value of 1 upon C. So this is our first equation. So we will put value of 1 upon C in first equation. That is 1 upon B, 1 upon 48 equal to 5 upon 96. Okay, then again we will take the LCM. 5 minus 2. So 1 upon B will be 3 upon 96. 32. Okay. So that means time taken by B will be 32 days. So what the steps we have taken? First we have used this equation. 1 upon A plus 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. From here we found out the value of 1 upon B plus 1 upon C. Then we have used this 1 upon A plus 1 upon C. 1 upon A is 1 upon 24. So from here we got 1 upon C. Then we have put the value of 1 upon C in this equation. From here we get time taken by B. So next is what we need. We need to calculate if A and B are working together, then how much time they will take. So for that what we will do, we will calculate 1 day work of A and B. That is, A is taking 24 days, so it is 1 upon 24. Now B is we are having 1 upon 32. So after solving, (96), so it is 4 plus 3, that is 7 upon 96. So our answer will be time taken by A and B is, that is 96 upon 7 days, or you can write days. Okay, so this will be our answer. Okay, next is the questions related to pipe. Now for that, what few points that we need to remember for these type of questions. Okay, pipe and cistern problems. Okay, so what we will do in these type of problems, if pipe is filling the cistern, so work is positive. Okay, and if pipe is emptied cistern, then work we will take negative. Or even if there is a leakage in the tank, then time taken by the leakage to fill the tank again will be taken as the negative only. So this concept we will use. And how to solve the question? Let's see a question number 13. So in this it is given that two taps A and B can fill a tank in 12 and 16 hours. So taps A and B filling the tank. So A takes and B takes. So A takes 12 hours and B takes 16 hours. Since these taps are filling the tank, so their work will be counted as positive. So we will calculate 1 hour work of A will be 1 upon 12 and 1 hour work of B will be 1 upon 16. And when they are working together simultaneously open, so it will be 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 16. Okay. Now there is one more tap which can empty the tank in 24 hours. So tap C emptied the tank in 24 hours. Okay, so what I have told you, in case of the tap which is either emptied the tank or even if the leakage, its work will be taken as negative. So we will calculate 1 hour work of C and it will be minus 1 upon 24. Okay, we are taking the work of C as negative. Now next what we have to calculate, when all the three are open, on our work of A, B and C will be 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 16 minus 1 upon 24. Okay, next we will take the LCM. 48 will be the LCM. 4 plus 3 minus 2, that is 5 upon 48. This much tank will be filled in 1 hour. So what is the time taken? Time taken will be, that is 48 upon 5 or hours. So this will be our answer. So when all the three are open, so this much time will be taken by all the three to fill the tank. So that's the end of this exercise 7.3. Next we will discuss speed, time and distance in exercise 7.4.